fucking day it is, but I am here in the beautiful island of Bali, driving through some fucking rice fields. Today we're going to a rice field to get some brekkie. We're also going to Aling where we're jumping off a 15-meter waterfall and there's some rock slides. There's other shit going on. I don't know what's happening. Stay the fuck tuned. It's gonna be great. Guys, wow fucking wow. Look how absolutely beautifully blessed I am. This is so fucking unreal, man. And we're still 20 minutes away from the rice field. Okay, so I'm gonna say this while we're still early in the video and I've got some audience retention. Things are going to be fucking awesome. We're going international. Woo! We're going to Spain, Croatia, and Switzerland next month. So stay the fuck tuned. Sub if this is your first time watching me. I love you all. Check this out. Woo! Well, we're here. And it's sick. And there was a guy beating a cow. Dished up grub, good strand. Let's see how much it costs. Beautiful view. I'm gonna try and charge this bad boy. We're sitting on 20%. Whoa, we're at a lake. Woo. Hope you guys can see this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There's some fishing traps down there. Maybe we can go on the way back, chill with a fisherman guy and catch some fish. I'm gonna try to. This is so cool, bro. Wow, look at this big building. There's a van in front of me. Whoa, look at this building. We found monkeys. I'm gonna give them some peanuts. Whoa. Hey. Can I give you one? Whoa. Yeah, I can. Hell yeah. Oh, you're a big guy. You're scary. Yo. Oh, you're cute. Yeah. Yeah, you're cool. You? Yeah, your turn. Oh my god, he's huge! What the fuck? He's trying to pick the packet! Why did he punch it? He's trying to pick the packet. Yeah, hey, chill out, bro. I'll give you one. Oh! He took the fucking packet. What a recon! Mate, try to do some good. There's a sick view here. I'll try and show you guys. GoPro's not great for... Sorry, buddy. I accidentally scared him and then that scared me. Oh yeah, sick view. The GoPro's not too good with like cool views, but I mean like zoom in if you can. I've got another packet of peanuts. I want to see if he's just gonna steal them and knows how to open them. Where's the boss? Hey buddy. I want the boss. Which one's the boss? You're the boss, aren't you? Yep, alright. Well, that wasn't hard, was it? Yeah, of course he knows how to fuck it open. Oh, cute, I gave mommy one. Look at them all. They're so cute. Alright, sorry bro. Oh! We've got a cool view over here. Look at this. If you can see, yeah, you can see. Wow. We're gonna make this one quick because Trek drove past and doesn't realise we stopped, but look at the view. Okay, let's go. Screaming trucks, baby! Woo! Excuse me, sir. Do you have any idea how fast you are going? Not a fucking clue!
So huge, you have to step out.
This is pretty fucking cool already. We got Blue Lagoon, waterfalls, 5, 10, 15 meter jumps, some other shit, I can't remember. Oh, rock slides, and something else, but have a look at this. How many times in a video do I say that? But have a look at this. Just means I got good views around and good viewers. Love you guys.
Yeah, I thought so.
This shit's on what? Dwelling up. Literally.
I'm local and I drink it. Yeah? Yeah? It's yours? Yes. Not bad? No, look.
Anyway.
Iron Man.
Iron Man, bro. I'm undefeatable, aren't I?
No, like, we are local and this is how we drink the water.
Not bad.
Tastes like arak.
My gargles sound like Araka.
Yeah.
That's delicious.
Can we climb? No, one time. I will show you. That's very good. Yep. That's very good question. One time there's a people climb here.
Oh no.
These are in Tommy.
Yeah?
So I will show you something.
Did they fall?
No. Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Yeah, Iron Man. They become Iron Man.
Wow. So that's how he becomes Iron Man.
Oh.
Wait, move.
No, I have photos.
No photos.
Wow.
No photos.
Sorry.
I can't do a muscle up on that. Her boyfriend there. This is. Nah, just kidding.
Please hurry up.
Yeah, no, we've not. I've known him for 20 years.
I know.
Was that cute?
Not my brother.
Hello.
Wow. This looks like that Clams Casino album. Wait, could it be?
What?
Is this the Clams Casino album cover?
But that it doesn't look as bad as the mine.
Maybe.
It's like something happened. Wow, that's horrible.
Oh my god, that is icy cold. That is beautiful. This is crazy. He was just telling us about, there was a guy who, at that waterfall that I drank out of, a rock fell, landed on his leg and like instantly clean cut his foot like completely off, and his foot was like a meter away from him, blood pissing out. This was 3 years ago. Should have seen the photo. Like you could just see his foot was there, like it was just on the floor. There might be a frame in the vlog where you can like see that photo, because I put the GoPro at it, so feel free to skim back and have a look. But it made me feel very shit. Shouldn't have showed me, because now I'm thinking about that.
We have to say corn tall.
How do I say it?
Corn tall.
Corn tall.
Yeah.
Corn tall kuching.
Kachil.
Kachil.
Yeah.
Kuching is cat.
Kuching is cat.
And dog is
Anjing.
anjing. Okay.
You know what?
Anjing kontol.
Playtan.
Anjing kontol.
Yeah, anjing kontol.
Dog
Playtan,
call.
you know?
Is what?
Playtan.
Playton.
Playtan. You know plate, right? Plate for eating. And you just need to add an.
Playtan. An.
Playtan.
Playtan. It means.
Dick.
Way.
Suck my playtan.
Playtan.
Suck my playtan, baby. Baby.
This is the Blue Lagoon, guys, over here. Wow. And there's a swing over there. We're gonna try and swing from that.
Fuck my playtan, baby.
Fuck my playtan, baby. There's a strong, very strong scent of dog shit in the air, and it's the smell of a tree here, which is kind of shit. They don't tell you about that in the brochure. Look at all of us. the thumbnail. Alright, let's go. Isn't that amazing? Let's go in. I'm running out of SD space. What? This here? Oh, what if it was? Clayton! Big Jana Beach boy. The big batty girl sucking out Clayton.
Biacha.
Dive in.
Come here. It's fucking shallow. Shallow, my bro. Fuck, it's got some chullies in it.
Fish. See that circle part of the sand on the rock?
Oh, right there.
He's like upwards. Yeah.
Oh, right there too.
Whoa, it's fucking cold. I'll tell you that much for free. I'm running up the next stairs just to get hot. Oh my god. Suck my plate on. Oh my god, it is freezing cold. The fish are gonna eat our dick?
Apparently.
Oh, the fool's farting. He's a madman, And I am too. Oh wait, I've got something in my pocket. Woo! Oh, beautiful. Woo! How many times are you gonna watch me swim in a fucking waterfall? Right here, there's a rope right here. Oh, here we go. I'll test the water. Anyway, show me a platon. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I need to hurry up and do this and delete some footage off the SD card. This is about to run out. Bagoose! Wow. Isn't that unreal? Trekky's on his way over, that's fucking scary. That is. It just smells like dog shit, bro. Shuddy P in the place to be. The goat.
I guess I'm on.
Some pull-ups.
I'll try and do some pull-ups, but I can't.
Come on. Go Juddy. Go Juddy. Oh, I'm doing one-hander. Okay. Bagus. Bagus. Woo. Jackie's backflip. Way! Fucking sub. There's only one thing in the entire universe, observable and non-observable, that Juddy P can't do, and that's a flip. Way! He did it! That was cool. We're just gonna. I was up 250 bucks, and we're gonna quickly check. We've got 1 bar 4G, so it might not even load. Oh! Here we go. It'll be up here. Oh, 160 on one. Oh, it's about the same. Euro GBP position down. Golden Chef. Doing pretty well. Woo! Making money, making memories.
close tree. Leaf.
That's in Sampano.
Yeah. So we put
What is it? Oh, it's a pimple.
Yeah, but why
I thought it was
do
like a spider or something.
Julian, if you're watching this tree, Samperna.
Samperna. Please.
Bagus!
Let me find the clove.
In my control.
So you have small contour?
You got tiny one.
Okay.
Okay.
How's it got a hand?
Not trust you.
Oh my god!
Bro. Oh, that smells good.
Show that. What do you mean? Ugh. Oh my god.
So
Can I
sometimes you put it.
What if I
on
eat
your
it?
teeth when you have a teeth problem.
Really?
Yeah, when it's pain.
And it fixes the
And
pain?
become like this. Look.
Oh yeah, because the cloves have anesthetic.
This is what you see on internet.
The cloves are a mild anesthetic.
Yeah.
This is what you see
Yes.
on internet. The brown one. Hey,
Internet.
fuck my flatten, baby.
Bro, that's why Sampernas are so good to smoke, because the cloves are a natural anesthetic and it
Yeah,
numbs
yeah.
your chest.
But you know,
So you cough
I was
less.
smoking sample now for like more than 10 years.
Yep.
But now,
Nah, bro, go.
You're gonna do 20 years.
no, because last time I was drinking too much.
Mm-hmm.
So I have no breakfast, no lunch, no dinner. I always drink. And then that's become no, not smoke on.
Bad for your stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Problem with my stomach. But while I'm drinking, I need a lot of cigarettes. So
Yeah.
by that, my lung has a little bit problem. Yeah. But not it is not because of smoking, because smoking is healthy.
Of course, it was the drinking.
So because of the drinks maybe. But you know, because if you go to hospital, the reason why I say smoking is healthy, because no one in the hospital they're smoking. Because you know what, they're sick. So smoking is healthy.
Ah, yeah, of course.
Right?
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense.
Drunk and you're on control and your pet next to you,
Yep.
and then the pet make you scared, and then bah!
How many meters is this?
That one
Yeah.
only 5.
This one's 5.
But outside is 7.
Bus.
Uno's Playton.
Hey!
Uno's Playton. You know Playton?
I know Playton. Playton. This is 5 meters, bro. So 3 of these.
That 3 times higher.
Oh my god. What? Wow. Wow. That looks high. Yeah, it's only 5. And we have 15 coming. You nervous? No. Because he's got a cig. Cig, smoking's healthy. Trek's orgasming. What's Juddy getting? What are you doing, Judd?
Some candy.
Whoa!
Relaxa.
Yeah, you missed Emma's. Relaxa. I'm gonna choke on this when I jump. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Oh my god! I think I missed Juddy's. Juddy P! Place to be! Woo! Oh shit! Woo!
Water went up my fucking arm.
Go Drake! Woo! he's gonna throw Juddy's cig down. Oh! No! What? It hurts? You're lying to me. This way? Yeah. I'm sliding down this fucking rock. It hurts?
No, it's just little bumpy, but it's okay.
Okay.
Down here.
Where? Okay.
Stay your feet. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
And lie down like a slave. 1, 2, 3.
What the fuck? Holy shit! What the fuck? No way! Bro! That's the best! That's the best! No! I'm gonna race up and give the fucking camera to someone. Want this? Yeah. It's already recording.
You can just sit down.
9 meters. I think I've seen Risky Reg jump off this one, I could be wrong. Oh fuck! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! No way! I missed it! I missed it! That's fucking terrifying!
Oh my god!
Are you going?
No, Emma!
No way! You go!
Oh my god!
Oh, you're gonna take I'm gonna take it. I'm the YouTuber.
Hey! Don't pin drop! Why?
Go. Why?
I'll go.
What do I do? Oh my god! That's fucked!
Oh my god!
That's fucked, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh my god! Holy shit! How did he get up? No way! That's aura.
My name's Jody 3.
3, 2, 1, shoot! Bagus! Bagus! Wow! That's a big fucking drop! 15 meters! Holy fuck! Hey! Woo! Bagus!
Alright, here we go, ready?
Yeah. What a fucking rush. That was 9 meters. So this next one is 6 meters higher, which is the first one on top of the second one plus 1 more meter. And this is it coming up here. That's 15? Oh my god. Holy shit.
Where's the seat bit?
Anywhere.
Anywhere?
That's it.
Can you go first?
I'm good.
Now.
Yeah, where the fellow is.
Then go there.
My everything will come off.
What?
This is fucking mental. Oh my god, I've got like nothing left to record with. 2 minutes.
I'm not putting you around there.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1, send it!
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
Did he straight away?
Where is he?
How is
What
the ball?
3, 2, 1,
Oh no! Fuck! You fucked it! You fucked it! Ah! That's so shit, bro!
That's
Come
so
on, Jack.
shit,
I got 1 minute 30.
Oh fuck! Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go!
Holy fuck, man! That's disgusting! Go! Yeah! You got 1 minute! Go! Jenny! Boost! Fair enough! Fair enough! That's fair, that's very fair. I just had to make sure I got all my teeth. Yeah, nah, it's good, it's good. I don't know if I can show that on here. Holy fuck, guys. That was absolutely fucking crazy. I can't record anymore because my GoPro's about to die and run out of storage. Oh fuck, but there's nothing else really to see today anyway. If you liked it, then like it, sub, comment, look around here. Cool, love yous the fucking most, peace out. As you motherfuckers know me and my fake goodbyes, we're gonna go home, order some food and play poker. I'll show you the villa, so keep watching. Huh? You heard I'm having a bintang?
Oh, I've heard you're having a big time, mate.
Oh, I dabble. Hey, Julian. Julian simulator.
Take photo of
He'll
me.
understand.